Apart from being the 73rd Republic Day, we are also celebrating 50 years of our statehood. This year also happens to be the year where we are celebrating the 75th year of our independence. At the same time, this is also the 125th birth anniversary of late Subhash Chandra Bose. So indeed, this year's celebration is very, very special to each and every Meghalayan and to each and every Indian. And I take this opportunity to wish and once again give my heartfelt greetings to each and every one of you on this very, very important day. Friends, the last 50 years of our statehood have been extremely challenging. And while the challenges were there, it is the great leaders, distinguished individuals, our farmers, our youth, our entrepreneurs, our sportsmen, our musicians, and every single citizen has made Meghalaya what it is. We would not have reached this position if it was not for the contribution that was made by the different governments. We would not have been here today if it was not for the contributions made by the different chief ministers, the different officials, bureaucrats, and each and every common citizen of our state. So I take this opportunity on this very, very auspicious and a great day for our country to wish and to thank each and every individual who has contributed to making this state and to making this country what it is today. Having said that, there are a large number of challenges in front of us. We have come this far. We are doing what we have to do. But the question is, what can we do more to make Meghalaya a shining example of governance, a shining example of a society, a shining example to the rest of the nation and the world, that in spite of the challenges we face, Meghalaya can do more. We can achieve more. And we should never be satisfied with what we have now. And that is a real challenge.
Ladies and gentlemen, the tableau of the Arts and Culture Department themed Museum on Wheels. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the next tableau brought to you in collaboration by the Offices of the District Agriculture Officer and District Horticulture Officer. The PM Kisan Nidhi is an income support scheme which is 100% funded by the Government of India and has an enrollment of 2 lakh plus farmers. In order to prevent post-harvest loss and augment income generation from value addition and food processing, the department has provided incentives through various schemes to entrepreneurs in processing and marketing of fruits and food products, spices and vegetables. The tableau also portrays the government's intervention for promotion of unique and delicious RiKhasi mandarin.
But there are also reports of human rabies due to bites of cats, mongooses, jackals, foxes, wolves and other carnivorous animals. Today, over 90% of rabies deaths are in Asia, Africa and the Middle East, where canine rabies is widespread. Every year, millions of healthy dogs are inhumanly killed for the fear of this deadly disease. However, this doesn't halt the spread of rabies, which causes the death of around 59,000 people a year, the majority of which are children under 15.
A close association with nature has enabled tribal people to observe the rich flora and fauna around them for developing their own traditional knowledge. They have acquired knowledge of the use of plants and plant products as herbal remedies for various ailments over time. Traditional rules support conservation by limiting activities within sacred forests. Sacred groves also provide ecosystem services such as erosion control and maintenance of water quality. Let us conserve our biological resources by preserving our indigenous and traditional knowledge for the benefit of our future generation. Ladies and gentlemen, the tableau of the Forest Department. Ladies and gentlemen, the tableau of multi-purpose water reservoir by the Soil and Water Conservation Department. The next tableau presented to you is by the PHE department themed on sanitation. Meghalaya now takes on the challenge of providing adequate water to each and every household through provision of functional household tap connection under the ambitious Jylla mission. The tableau presents a picture of the much wanted reality of a decent and dignified household, displayed improved living conditions through availability of it. Currently, Meghalaya is the 11th state in the country to become ODF Plus under Swachh Bharat mission and ranks 27th in provision of functional household tap connections under the Jylla mission. Ladies and gentlemen, the tableau of the PHE department. Congratulations to Dr. Jylla, Shadap and her team.
Congratulations to Dr. Varamika Lingdok.